Hello and welcome in. I am going to be talking about some of the things I'm doing in my patio garden. And I'm going to tell you about some of the mistakes that I've made. And I pray that this reaches you in time so that you don't make that same mistake. And for all my pro gardeners, I just want to say thank you. I've been receiving a lot of help from you guys, and I really, really, truly appreciate it. So keep on bringing those comments that help to guide me as to what to do when I make a mistake. So, don't forget to follow us on this journey of health, wellness, and just doing the things that feels good for us. All right, let's get into today's video talking about more mistakes that I've made along this gardening journey. Some of you may have seen the shorts that I talked about finding these like little tiny insects on my soil. And that mistake was based off of me taking the blended beads, the remains from the blended beads, and putting it directly into the soil without mixing it in with maybe new soil or something. I guess I was trying to enrich the soil, but instead I just attracted, I think they call them GNATS, I believe. And then I started seeing larvae, like little tiny worms in the soil. So what I did, I used soap dish water. It was like all natural soap dish. And I added a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. And I noticed that that took care of that. However, I'm still seeing some little tiny ones. They look a little different. So I don't know if I should spray some more. However, I think I OD'd it because I'm looking at these and it looks like maybe I put too much in my attempt to get rid of those little insects. I may have damaged my plants. But we're expecting rain tonight, so hopefully that should help to balance things out. We'll see. Now let's get into it. I transplanted some spinach and I left it out in the sun for too much. I found out that the best time to transplant is during the coolness of the evening or maybe early mornings. And you give it a lot of water and kind of keep it out of the sun. I also learned that spinach and stuff like kale and mustard greens, they don't need a lot of sun. So you kind of want to keep those type of plants in the shade. They don't need much sunlight. So that's another lesson that I've learned. See how my spinach are looking? Like I haven't given up on them. I'm thinking if I keep them in the shade and keep giving it water and love, they will come around. This one here, you don't even really see it anymore. Let me see if I could point to it. Right there. You don't even really see it anymore. I just see like little roots, so I don't know if that will come back, but hopefully it will. This one, same thing. But, can't give up. It's all part of the process of learning and growing. And let me see, what else can I share with you guys today in regards to my mistakes? I think that might be it for now on my mistakes, but just a little update. I just got these pots. They're much longer than the ones that I had. I found these in Brooklyn. See, this is the one that I've been working with, this size, because that's what I found around my area. But I went to Brooklyn and I found these, and it's like twice as long and taller. So what I'm going to do is transplant some of my beets and put them in here. I think I'm also going to put like maybe all my mints in here so that they have more room to spread out. I think this is going to be great. So today I will be doing some more transplant with the lessons that I've learned. All right, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if this is your vibe. I am not a gardener. I'm just here learning because I believe it's important to grow our own foods and, teach our children how to be resourceful as we do this amazing journey called life. All right, thanks for tapping in. Have an amazing day. Be always blessed. Please do consider joining the memberships, leaving a super thanks, or some sort of amazing gift like a thumbs up. Take care now. Bye-bye.